Well, greetings, people of the internet. Unky Joe here, Unky Joe's Playhouse. We got one ho of a show coming up for you right now. That's right. I actually got a video out for Christmas Eve. Wow, what are the chances? It's a pretty much laid back video. It's going to be I'll narrate parts of it. Part of it'll have, visual stuff on the screen where I'm explaining to you what I'm doing. But basically, I'm going to document everything I've done to get my fish room up and running over the past, it's been almost 2 months now. I think I started this project right before Thanksgiving. And I shared some of that with you in my live streams. But today is basically going to show you soup to nuts what I've been doing, and I've set it to music. And so hopefully you'll find this entertaining and informative, if nothing else. And if fish tanks aren't your thing, well, go have some fun with your family. Go open some gifts, go have a drink, or come back and when I do another tech video. But I wanted to share this with everyone around Christmas because it was kind of a gift I've given to myself to kind of help me find that inner peace and tranquility and zen, and well, you get it. So anyway, here's the video. Have fun. Well, I've done it. I've done it. I've gotten back into this hobby in a big way. So, what have I done? Well, my office, as you can see, is pretty much in shambles. I'm going to have to rethink my workbench. I'm going to have to rethink a bunch of stuff because you see I have moved my gaming PC away from the wall and replaced it with this monstrosity that I've simply built out of cinder blocks and 2x6s. And the goal is, these are 20-gallon long tanks, so they hold 20 gallons. I've got 2 of them. Eventually I'm going to have 3. I'm going to have another one right here in this spot, so I'll have 3 tanks across the top, and then I'll have room for 2 more 20-gallon tanks down here. Alright, so we've got our layer of dirt down there, and then on top of that we get our layer of sand. And I don't know, that's about a 2-inch, that's about 2 inches. I think that sand could go just a little bit deeper. Rather be safe rather than sorry. So I'm gonna put a little bit more sand in there. See what we can't come up with. I'll try to set you up so you can see what I'm doing. Once the bag's gotten light enough to pour. Nah, probably not. So we'll just start from this end. I think that's good. Yeah. I don't think we're going to go any further than that. Now,
up on the housetop, reindeer paws, out jumps good old Santa Claus, down through the chimney with lots of toys, all for the little ones' Christmas joys. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, click, 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 down through the chimney with good Saint Nick. Up on the housetop, reindeer paws, out jumps good old Santa Claus, down through the chimney with lots of toys, all for the little ones' Christmas joys. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, click, 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 down through the chimney with good Saint Nick.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go. Take a look in the 5 and 10, glistening once again with candy canes and silver lanes aglow. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Toys in every store. But the prettiest sight to see is the holly that will be on your own front door. A pair of hop-along boots and a pistol that shoots is the wish of Barney and Ben. Dolls that will talk and will go for a walk is the hope of Janice and Jen. And Mom and Dad can hardly wait for school to start again. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go. There's a tree in the Grand Hotel, one in the park as well, the sturdy kind that doesn't mind the snow. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Soon the bells will start, and the thing that'll make 'em ring is the carol that you sing right within your heart. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Toys in every store. But the prettiest sight to see is the holly that will be on your own front door. Sure, it's Christmas once more.
snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. A day or two ago, I thought I'd take a ride, and soon Miss Fanny Bright was seated by my side. The horse was lean and lame, misfortune seemed his lot. He got into a drifted bank and then we got upset. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
So there you go. Yeah, it's a lot. It's a lot of footage. I didn't want to make it too short. You know, I figure if you get bored looking at it, you can fast forward through it. But it just goes to show you what it took to put all of this together and get it working, and a couple of sleepless nights too. And you know, you probably saw me there filling those tanks and then empty them and refilling them again. And you know, we're dealing with each one of those 40-gallon tanks with, you know, with the decorations in it and the sand and the water, weighs about 600 pounds. And I have 2 of those on the top, and then I have 3 of the 20 gallons on the bottom, which typically run about 300 pounds each for each one of those 20-gallon long aquariums. So we're talking about a couple thousand pounds of weight there bearing down on my floor. Now, my floor can take it. This house is built to take a live load. Engineers plan that when they build them. And it's all tongue and groove plywood, 3/4 inch, and I think 2x8 floor joists. So it's a well-built house. The rack is what I built. So, yeah, I took precautions, and, you know, there are a lot of things, if I do it again, I'll do differently. But I learned in the process, and the brackets that I got to hold that up are more than adequate. I'm going to go ahead and add some 1x2s just as added reinforcement between the top here and the bottom here, just for peace of mind, you know. And eventually I'll redo that top section and turn the wood from being flat to being more horizontal. So, but, you know, this is an experiment, and it got me up and running, and gave me the ability to get the tanks up and get them decorated. And right now these tanks are a work in progress. I'm trying to find the best substrate method for me and filtration method. And oddly enough, I've come back right to where I was when I was doing fish tanks in the 80s and 90s, and that has back to an undergravel filter. Well, it's called a plenum now. They've given it a new fancy name. But as these videos progress and I talk more and more about the aquariums that I keep and how I keep them, I'll go into some detail about it, but that's not what this video is about. This video is about showing off the hard work, and this was a lot of hard work. And I'm telling you right now, folks, you get to be my age, you know, sliding toward the grave, as they say. I know, I'm only 58. I'm not quite there yet, but it does have an effect on your perspective about what's important. And sitting in front of fish tanks for an hour every day is my idea of nirvana. So if you find them entertaining and informative and relaxing, and you want to come along on this journey, you're more than welcome to join me. I'm going to do it in spite of, you know, what, if people like them, watch them. If you don't watch the video. Watch something else I do. Anyway, glad you came, though, and hope you enjoyed it. Donate if you're so inclined. PayPal, Patreon, YouTube join function, or just become a YouTube premium member. Please subscribe if you're not already a subscriber, and click that little notification bell to be notified of new videos when they come out. Please also come back and see us again, and don't forget, we'll see all of you on the other side.